So you might be trying to figure out how you can go through and basically use the ChatGPT image generator. Now, doing this is actually pretty basic and it really does not take too much time at all. So to get started, what you're going to want to do is you want to go ahead and make your way over into your ChatGPT application, just like this. And most versions of ChatGPT can go and create an image. So all you're going to have to do is just go through and you want to make a prompt that's going to tell it to create an image of your liking. So if I wanted to go and create an image, I could start writing something like create a image of, and then you want to go and start typing in what you want to make the image of. So if you want to make the image of it really doesn't matter what it is, you're going to have to just describe what that particular image is of. So if I wanted to make an image of a cat, playing a guitar, right? Let's say I wanted to go ahead and basically do that. Well, what I want to do is I want to go ahead and just start kind of writing out that particular prompt. Create an image of a cat playing a guitar. Now, when you send it, it's going to take some time to create this image. Now, there's a couple things to keep in mind. The image has to be within their terms of, guidelines, security and privacy stuff. You can't say anything wild. It will not make an image of it. You might be able to get away with some things, but it's not going to really do well. Now, it will take some time to generate that image. So most of the time we end up just sitting here. If you have ChatGPT Plus or ChatGPT Pro, then those versions of ChatGPT will give you a little bit of a better experience for the most part. But still, it's still probably better off if you just kind of do it this way, because it might just be a better experience for the most part for a majority of people. So once again, you can just kind of wait it out a little bit, but it will start generating an image. And once it generates that image, you're basically going to be good to go. And then you can use that image whichever way you want to. Now, just as an example, I made these images a while ago. The other one was taking just too long, but I made these images a while ago, and I basically did the same exact thing. I asked it to generate an image of a cat, and it generated some images of these cats. So that's all you're really going to have to do. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that will mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.